Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging mdcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is in three-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system XYZ. You have two vectors A and B. Vector A has component Ax equal to 4, Ay equal to minus 3, and Az equal to 2. While vector B has component Bx equal to 1, by equal to 5 and vz equal to minus 2. What is the dot scalar product of vector a and b? A minus 23, b 23, c 0, and d negative 19. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is in case of Doppler effect, the apparent frequency will be dash the actual frequency when the source moves toward the stationary observer. A less than B, more than C, equal to and D, none of these. So the correct option is B, more than. The next MCQ is magnetic flux is maximum when the angle between the magnetic field and the normal of the plane of the finite area is A 0 degree, B 90 degree, C 60 degree, D 30 degree. So the correct option is A 0 degree. The next MCQ is measure of displacement covered with passage of time is called A acceleration, B speed, C velocity, and D deceleration. So the correct option is C velocity. The next MCQ is Newton's third law of motion is correlated with A law of conservation of energy, B law of conservation of momentum, C law of conservation of velocity, and D all of these. So the correct option is D all of these. The next MCQ is Ohm's law states that the current is directly proportional to the dash and inversely proportional to dash. A resistance, B resistance, voltage, and D voltage current, and D voltage resistance. So the correct option is B voltage resistance. The next MCQ is the ability to produce an electromotive force by changing the magnetic field inside a coil is used to generate A mechanical energy, B electricity, C electromagnetic force, and D magnetic energy only. So the correct option is B electricity. The next MCQ is the absolute potential energy of a spaceship on the surface of the Earth is A GMME divided by R is square. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is the perching on a high powered line does not get electric shock. This is because A. The whole body of the pole sitting on the live wire is at the same potential and hence no current flows through the body. B. The whole body of the world sitting on the live wire is at zero potential and hence no current flow through the body. So the correct option is A. The whole body of the bird sitting on the live wire is at the same potential and hence no current flow through the body. The next MCQ is the capacitance of capacitor depends on A. Area of the plates, B. Distance between the plates, and D. Dielectric between them, and D. All of these. So the correct option is D. All of these. The next MCQ is the the Compton effect is the phenomena that describes the scattering of the light by prism, B the bending of light when it passes from one medium to C the change in the wavelength of X-ray when they interact with matter, and D the creation of interference pattern in a double slit experiment. So the correct option is C the change in the wavelength of X-rays when they interact with matters. The next MCQ is the current produced by a generator is called A. Direct current, B. Pulsating current, C. Alternating current, and D. Variable current. So the correct option is C. alternating current. The next MCQ is the device used to adjust voltage level in an electrical circuit is called a voltage regulator, B circuit breaker, and C capacitor, and D transformer. So the correct option is D transformer. The next MCQ is the distance covered by sound wave per unit time is called A. Speed of sound wave, B. Velocity of sound wave, C. Wavelength of sound wave, and D. Amplitude of sound wave. So the correct option is A. Speed of sound wave. The next MCQ is the domestic electricity supply has a frequency of A 150 Hz, B 50 Hz, C 100 Hz, and D 200 Hz. So the correct option is B 50 Hz. The next MCQ is the instantaneous power supplied to a circuit is a product of the dash and dash. A. Instantaneous current and instantaneous voltage. B. Instantaneous power and instantaneous voltage. C. Instantaneous voltage, instantaneous conductance. And D. Instantaneous current, instantaneous power. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is the number of waves passing through a certain point in unit time is called A. Wave speed, B. Time period of wave, C. Wavelength, and D. Frequency of waves. So the correct option is D. Frequency of waves. The next MCQ is the primary purpose of replication in an electrical circuit is to A. Convert direct current into alternating current, B. Smooth out voltage fluctuation, C. Convert AC to DC by allowing current to flow in one direction, D. Amplify electrical signals. So the correct option is C. Convert AC to DC by allowing currents to flow in one direction. Thanks for joining me. I hope these mdcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.